Hi, it's Tim and Shana from Punk Rope. How you all doing? I guess this is kind of day 3 of our self-quarantine, and we're in New York City. I'm just going to show you the outside because usually it's packed. It's a beautiful sunny day. There's usually kids running around, games going on. Now you see about 4 people. But that's the way it is, right? So we're all going to stay safe. We're going to stay healthy.
Shauna just went to get.
Shauna's getting something. But today's video is going to be really short. Shana is going to jump to the government flu by the dead Kennedys. Hopefully this won't get taken down, but we shall see. Anyway, she's got her Green Day punk rope, jump rope, and she's just going to freestyle. She's just going to do whatever the hell she wants, and if you're at home, following along, do your best and enjoy, and let me hit play, and we'll go for it. All right, here we go. Little playground hop, and this gets a little fast. Swing, swing, jump. Now we have the advantage of having a wrestling mat, so that's pretty cool. Alternating footstep for speed, swing and jump, slowing it down, the basic bounce. Side straddles. So feel free to put together whatever combinations feel good to you today. Could change by the day, by the hour, by the minute. This is a bell jump. By the way, we're going to get light soon. We're excited. Swing, swing, jump. Again, it's a short song, 2 minutes, 4 seconds, so it's an opportunity to really push yourself hard. The government flu. Not suggesting that that's the origin, by the way. It's just a good song. All right. Scissors step. The grand finale, guys. There's a nice rotation. Back again. One more, front to back. Woo! All right, let me turn this down. I forgot there's another song that comes on immediately. So that was 2 minutes, 4 seconds of the government flu, and hey, we're punk rope, so we had to do that. But hope you're all staying safe, staying healthy, staying indoors. Be good to one another. You like our videos, just give them a thumbs up. We appreciate it. You got questions, ask them in the comments. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. We also have a Patreon page now. It's patreon.com/punkrope. And thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.